In the news tonight, President Rodrigo Duterte says 1,000 government officials are included in the third list of individuals involved in illegal drugs. The president said the list includes mayors, congressmen, judges, barangay captains, and governors. The president made the revelation in a speech before the elite Army Scout Rangers in Camp Tecson in San Miguel, Bulacan. Rocky Ignacio reports.
President Rodrigo Duterte directed the Armed Forces of the Philippines to safeguard peace and development in the country. Members of the Scout Rangers 1st Regiment exhibited their counter-terrorism measures and rescue operations to the president in his visit at Camp Tecson, San Miguel, Bulacan.
In a way, the team leader's role is crucial. With the band position.
In his speech before the members of the Scout Rangers, President Duterte said terrorism will be the Philippines' main concern in the future. Although the president said that the Philippines will not cut its ties with allies, he admitted that he will eventually ask U.S. soldiers to give the Philippines space in Mindanao.
But I never stayed there I never lived there in Cebu, even for a moment. But since we trace our lineage from our father, yan ang dahilan ng away. They can never be best. Sabi na basta yung behind sila sa... They think it's still the Americans maneuvering. Kaya sinabi ko Mindanao. I never said go out of the... One day, I must decide na umalis muna kayo para to give us the space to talk.
The president also reiterated to continue modernizing the AFP, who also gave Scout Rangers 800 units of Glock 45 caliber handguns.
Just keep well. Alam mo, ang buhay. It's your turn, it's your turn. Just do your best. If your time, baski ako. Wala akong illusions diyan sa... Pinasukan natin ang trabaho, delikado. Pa dito, lipa doon. Kung mahulog ako, bagong presidente ninyo, babae. Mas gusto ninyo. Gusto ninyo, babae man talaga rin kaharap ninyo. Well, anyway, I am going to give you the 7.62 FN. FNFL yan lang. Fabric national yan. Okay, I'll buy you. Ilan mo siya? Siguro mga 1,000 pieces, siguro, tama na. Program. I'll give you all, basta sa panahon ko, ibigay ko sa lahat sa inyo yung kailangan nyo para manalo. Hindi para pumatay. We do not go to war.
At the same time, President Duterte assured soldiers government supports like the salary adjustment by December. The president added that his administration is ready to give free education for their children next year.
So I think you'll have the best. I repaired your medical center. I gave the doctor there $500 million. May bagong building ngayon. Just to show. Tapos yung ako magbigay ng wheelchair kasi yung piang-piang hindi pa makalakad, pero yung recuperating, bibigyan ko ng wheelchair na ang drive dito lang. Yung isa maski na doon pa sa malaki yan, sige na sirit-sirit sa harap namin, giganahan parang bata. So those are the things that I will provide for you, and for those I will be there. Next year, kung ganda ang income ko, I'll start with the program, libre na ang mga anak ninyo. Kindergarten twice.
For PTV News, Rocky Ignacio, San Miguel, Bulacan.
Ako po si Cathy San Gabriel. Subscribe na sa PTV YouTube channel. I-click lang po ang subscribe button.